Beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Welcome into the channel. Listen, did you all check out my previous video in regards to this amazing mask to help your skin look tight and wrinkle free? Well, you need to head over there after you finish today's video, because today's video is also a good one. Man, you're in store for a lot. Let's get to today's video. Beautiful babes, please excuse me. I'm just excited today. Y'all know when I'm excited, I get all over the place trying to get the words out about something that I love. And today we're going to be talking about looking younger with rice water. Yes, indeed. And beautiful babes, if you're new to the channel, listen, subscribe, hit the little bell, and be in the know each and every time I'm on here. I'd love to have you. But listen, yes, this is rice, and we're going to make some rice water today. But what I wanted to share with y'all is that rice is a cosmetic ingredient with miraculous properties. I mean, rich in vitamin B, which is going to help stimulate cell regeneration and slow the aging process down. Listen, y'all, this is some amazing stuff. It can get rid of wrinkles on the face and neck, and that's what I love to use it for. Now, to prevent premature aging of the skin, did you know that Japanese women prepare their rice mask? Yes, we're going to be doing that as well. We may not get to it in this video, but stick and stay on the channel. That's why I want you to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be in the know when we get to all of that. But today we're going to be prepping our rice water, and rice water is super beneficial for your skin. Rice water will help improve your blood circulation. It will act as an antioxidant and also moisturize your skin and help to get rid of wrinkles. And not only that, it will help you reduce any inflammation of the skin and keep your skin healthy and hydrated. Now, it's true that even Chinese women use rice water to tone their skin and to enhance their complexion. The list goes on about rice water, and it helps if you have oily skin. It's going to help mattify your oily skin. It's going to help boost the skin's barrier health. It's going to soothe even sun-damaged skin and even skin brightening. And my favorite, you know, is anti-aging. I'm nearing the point of not even saying anti-aging, but that's where I started with. And now I'm getting to the point of just having mature skin, but it has benefits for all of us. Rice water is so simple, easy to mix up. It's just amazing how something so simple to mix up has so many benefits. It is rich in amino acids, antioxidants, and minerals, which help to slow down and reduce the signs of aging and the aging process. It can also inhibit the activity of elastase, an enzyme responsible for skin aging. Rice water could help maintain skin elasticity and can reduce the appearance of the signs of aging on the skin. There's a multitude of mixtures you can create using rice water and rice, and we'll be exploring all of those on this channel. If you're interested, again, stick and stay by subscribing and hitting the little bell. What else is amazing? Not just talking about aging of the skin, but rice water also soothes skin inflammation, while you can also cure pimples and zits by applying the water on the breakout. Rice water helps heal acne and cools the redness of an outbreak. So just simply refrigerate the water and apply it to the zit for best results on that. If you ran out of aloe vera gel, rice water can serve as a great substitute. Do you have large pores and you want to tighten your skin? Rice water helps to minimize the appearance of pores and also helps to tighten the skin because it's a natural toner that promotes cell growth and stimulates blood flow and helps your skin look smooth and bright. Rice water is something that everyone can use, even if you have oily skin, rice water has astringent qualities that help reduce oiliness. But on the flip side of that, it's also moisturizing. So feel free to supplement it with your favorite lightweight oil moisturizer to seal the deal. If your concerns are to reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation, you can use rice water for skin lightening as well. The great part about rice water, it is non-irritating and inexpensive, so you can experiment with rice water in whatever way that works best for you. One of my primary concerns is skin tightening. I often talk about it on my channel, so that's why I love rice water, because it has anti-aging benefits. It is great to help firm and tighten the skin by boosting the skin's collagen levels. Collagen, of course, y'all know, is responsible for keeping our skin supple, firm, and youthful looking. So by applying rice water, we are really fighting against the common signs of aging, such as sagging, wrinkles, and fine lines. One of our biggest concerns, especially during the summer months, which you really should be concerned about this all the time, is sun protection. Studies have found that the chemicals and antioxidants found in rice water can be an effective form of sun protection when combined with other antioxidant-rich plants. Now that's amazing. And now, beautiful babes, let's get to how to make your own rice water. Very simple. Rice water is simply the starchy water left over after you soak the rice or the rice is cooked. So let's do the simple way of how I make my rice water. I simply take a half cup of uncooked rice. Now most rice, now you don't really have to rinse off, and I don't need to rinse this one off because it just simply is a cook and eat kind of rice. All I do is place my rice in a bowl, or for me in this container, and the half cup of rice I then add in 2 to 3 cups of water. Now for this little container here, all I can add in is 2 cups of water. And what I do with this little container, put the top on it and leave it to soak overnight. And voila, you then have rice water. But there is another form of rice water that many people would like to have in their certain recipes, and that is fermented rice water. All you have to do is allow this to ferment for 2 to 3 days. Let it sit for 2 to 3 days. Now, in making sure you have quality rice water and that it has not spoiled, make sure you do the smell test of the stored rice after a while before using it. And if it smells sour, discard it and prepare a new one. Now, if you want to, there are several methods of creating rice water treatments. You can also use the boiling method. Boiling water and rice produces a more concentrated form of rice water, which is also great. Now for this one, you'll just take 1 cup of rice and 4 cups of water to create your rice water. Bring it to a boil, let it cool off, and use a spoon or spatula to press the rice to release the chemicals. Then strain the mixture and store in an airtight container in the fridge. And this method is popular because it can be stored for a longer amount of time than the soaked rice water. But for this particular method, if you're going to apply it to your skin and your hair, of course, you will definitely need to dilute the mixture before you apply it. Now, I mentioned fermented rice. Fermented rice water, I believe is also called rice wine, can be made by combining the soaking method with time. You'll just let it sit in the container for 2 to 3 days. Your rice water will be ready once it has a slightly sour smell to it. This can also be stored in the fridge but requires dilution before applying as well. Now, this last method of fermenting is popular because it contains more antioxidants and is the method traditionally used by Japanese royalty to grow long, luscious hair. Now, once all of this is done, your possibilities are endless when it comes to your rice water. Well, beautiful babes, I think that's a mouthful for today's video when it comes to rice water to help your skin look younger. Even for your hair, I threw all of that in and how to make it. And next up, we'll be actually making some recipes involving rice water and a lot of other recipes involving rice. So stick and stay for those. Subscribe to the channel, turn your bell notification on so you'll be notified when those videos post. You can continue watching. As I said earlier, there's tons of videos here on the channel for you, so make sure you keep on watching. I'm your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now, but I will see y'all back on the next one. Take care of yourselves. If you enjoyed today's video or learned something new, make sure you drop a like on it. Drop me some beautiful hearts in the comments. That would be amazing, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care and tell everybody where you're hanging out at right here. Please share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Bye now.